I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily, almost. Bitcoin, we got something to talk about. I left the ideas on a couple of these charts, but we talked about how Bitcoin pulling back and bouncing, retesting off of this upper trend line of the rising channel is a bullish idea. Also, bullishly retesting this. So that, and again, it still has to close. This is the weekly chart. So again, we have till Sunday, but this is a clear back test. So it broke the overhead resistance and retesting, and it had pulled back, but now it's bounced. And so now that's another attempt. There's a number of sellers up here that are stacked, right? And so if Bitcoin could work in this range, like we could get a crazy altcoin season. This is Bitcoin. I left the notes on here just so we would be able to reference it now. We talked about how you had this rising channel and it broke to the upside and it went parabolic. And then again, rising channel, parabolic. Here you go. I'll move this out of the way. But it broke to the upside. It came back down and it bullishly retested it right here. It did not enter the pattern. So as long as it bounces, you're looking for a move to potentially 48,000. Okay. Bitcoin is doing things. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. We are killing it. This is karate, 175% gains. This is AKT, 90% gains. I gave this to you guys on YouTube. I've been holding it, and HBAR up 42% given a couple days ago. INJ up 920%. We also gave it at 356%. So we post these setups multiple times, right? And then we talk about on YouTube, and then the price continues to move higher. INJ 132%. Look at this guy down here. Who's this guy? Pond 116% gains. I've got a gem pick banger at the end of this video. Make sure stay tuned. We'll run through it real quick. But the leverage trading group is killing it as well. The easiest way to take advantage of changing your life financially forever is to email me cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com and we'll get you in the group today. Banging. Remember, you got 60% off the regular rates. That's going up next year. 16 days left. The group's paying for itself in a week or two. This is PBR. Now, yesterday, this is going to be a big mover over the course of the bull market. I had somebody that said, I'm down 10% in Doge. If you cannot handle a 30 or 40% pullback, you're not going to hit 3,000% gains, 4,000% gains, right? You have to be patient in this market. This thing is about to explode. I mean, these small caps are already popping. PBR, here you are. You're up 36% already, right? You could see, I mean, you get a breakout here, you get higher, a lot higher prices, but you definitely, don't want to get rejected. Otherwise, there's double top ideas. Okay, just to follow up on that. But I mean, look, you learn how to trade and you make 38%, 25%, 50%, 60%, 80%. Put those numbers together and you make a lot more money than just sitting there holding the coins. This is today's gem pick banger. PNDC USDT. It's on MEXC, right? So you want to, man, this thing is about to skyrocket. It's a small cap coin. You got rounded bottom, and a rounded bottom pays the bills, right? The pawn coin tokenomics, it's a very low and not even listed supply of coins, right? It's a smaller cap, but there's 23,000 people that have it on the watch list. A lot of people got into this early, but if you look over the course of the last 30 days, you can see that this coin has had some upside, now pulling back, ready for another move higher, right? PNDC, Pond Coin. What is it? It is a DEX, a swap bridge, right? Where you can trade The fees are nothing compared. I saw somebody paying $30, $35 for fees on Ethereum, and I'm just thinking, what is happening here? And that opens the doors for PNDC. The most important thing about this is the use case. Think about how many people cannot trade the coins they want to. Well, now they can. It's right here, right in front of you. You can trade quite a few coins. I mean, and you got one of the best patterns there is, one of my favorites. This thing is about, if it breaks this level, which it will, as soon as I post this is going to pump. You got this resistance, which needs to be read overhead. And this thing is ready to explode. You could see easy 60, 70% gains out of PNDC. Most important thing here is all the sellers are stacked right here in this area. The bottom line is you break above this level right here. There's a lot of zeros in here. But you break out of this pattern, you got a falling wedge. You've got falling volume on falling price. That means reversal. You've got a rounded bottom. I'm looking for a bounce here, and this thing is going to go moon mission, period. The altcoins, especially the small caps, they're about to blow up. And we've got to take advantage of the money flow, right? So by PNDC on MEXC, this will be one of those coins where a lot of people are going to hold it because it's going to 20, 30x easy, because it's a DEX and provides a very good solution to acquire the coins you want to, right? They've got big names behind the coin. You've got clear use case and perfect pattern. Doesn't get better than this. This thing is going to launch as soon as I launch this video. I've got to figure out a way how to make like 2-minute videos, maybe on TikTok, maybe YouTube Shorts, because but the problem is it takes so long to make the videos, and then you got to edit the videos. So I'm going to try to just shoot this video out as fast as possible without a whole lot of edits, and we are going to bang. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.